What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tuning. Today's video is on this gorgeous Range Rover Sport 3-litre V6 diesel. We're doing a gold package on this as well, so we'll have a dyno before, which we're about to go on, a dyno after as well, and we'll tell you the figures between as well. Absolutely gorgeous cars. I love these kind of cars as well. So luxurious to be out in, and loads of torque as well. So we're now out in the Range Rover with Shane, just about to do the dyno runs. We're doing it in second gear as well because there's not much chance that this car's going to slip. So, let's see it. That torque comes in hard. Jesus Christ, it doesn't get up to much speed in second gear, but you can feel the torque, can't you? Already, and we haven't even mapped it yet. That torque comes in so well. Literally like instant torque. So next to the car, Shane is doing the remappings on the laptop, and look inside this interior, guys. Look how beautiful it is. It's the autobiography edition as well, so it's got the extra little nice touches and stuff. Oh, absolutely great car. I love these cars, to be fair. I absolutely buzz off having one of these cars to work on and drive around. Look how nice they are. Oh, I love it! What's happening, guys? So, the car is now mapped, and we're going back out with Shane to do some more dyno pulls. Before, it made 302 brake horsepower, didn't it? It was a little bit down on torque as well. So now we're going to take it out, do some pulls, and see what it's running. Loads more torque, guys. Yay! Whoa. Right off again. Seems to level out a little bit later on in the gear, but like initial torque is absolutely mint. Feel that torque, guys. You can really feel it push you back, just carry you through the whole gear. So guys, the Range Rover is now done. The figures are a little bit down on the torque, but we've got the brake horsepower figures right up to the right amount. So if you want a map or any dynos or anything with us, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.